Alright guys, so Nick at Nick's Allotment Diary has set another sunflower challenge. It's hashtag Sunflower Challenge 2018. So this year I'm going to be doing this again because last year my sunflowers did okay, but they didn't really do great. So I've got the same seeds from last year, these giant Mongolian sunflower seeds, and I've got some just bog standard giant single head sunflower seeds. These are just the normal ones that you get in the shops. These ones are supposedly one of the biggest varieties in the world, this Mongolian giant. But these seeds are old now, so hopefully they will grow. So what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to be sowing them in these little cups, and I've just melted some holes in the bottom for drainage. And I'm going to be using my pot and mix again, the core, with the vermiculite added into it. So I'm going to sow 8 cups, so 4 of each. I'm going to put 2 in each cup, so I'll fill these cups up with compost and I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, so I've selected 8 of each seed and I've filled my 8 cups up with compost and I've labelled them. So these 4 are the Mongolian giant, these 4 are the giant single. So I'm going to put 2 in each pot. The reason I'm using these cups is because they're basically like root trainers. So they're nice and deep, because with a sunflower the main root will shoot straight down, and if it gets blocked by anything it tends to stunt the growth of the sunflowers, as I found out last year, because I kept them in small pots for far too long and the roots got all root bound. So I'm hoping this will help that. So literally all I'm going to do is I'm going to sow them off centre. So I'm just going to pop them in about twice as deep as the seed is long. And so there's 1, and I'm just going to pop him in. You don't even have to make a hole, you can just poke them right in. And I'll show you 2 of these ones as well. I'm just going to poke them in there. Relatively deep, about twice as long as this is, twice as deep as the seed is long, so about 2 or 3 centimeters deep, I reckon. And I'm leaving a nice big gap in between so that I can pick out the healthiest one and just chop off the other one, because I don't want their roots getting all tangled up and whatnot. I suppose it doesn't really matter, but I just like to leave a nice gap in between to make sure they've both got enough room to grow a little bit before I choose which one's the best. So let's do this one as well. Yeah, as I last year I did these Mongolian giants, but I had them in the conservatory. They did really well to begin with. They shot up, but I didn't repot them quick enough or get them outside quick enough. So what happened was all the roots just got all compacted in the pot. So when I did finally get them out, the roots were already stunted, so they all started flowering pretty much straight away. So they only got to about 4 or 5 foot. So this year I'm hoping to get these out, not have to repot them or anything, just keep them in these pots and stick them straight out, and hopefully the roots will be fine and they'll be nice and big. So that is all of our seeds sown. So we've got eight of each technically. We're going to keep 4 of each, and I'll find spaces for them outside when we get there. So thanks Nick for putting up the sunflower challenge again. I did enjoy doing it last year. If you want to go check out my sunflowers from last year, just have a look back through my videos. There's a couple on there. They'll be in my seedling updates and under the hashtag giant sunflower challenge, I think it was last year. This year's hashtag is just hashtag sunflower challenge 2018, and this challenge was set by Nick's Allotment Diary. He's got some really good stuff on his channel, so go check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and I'll also I'll be recommending anyone else to join in the challenge. It's a really fun challenge. Just sow your seeds, video it, and show us the progress. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and I will catch you on the next episode. See you later, guys. Have a nice day. Alright guys, thanks for watching that. I do realise I did sow them in the wrong pots, so I've sown the seeds the wrong way round, but it doesn't matter because I'm just going to switch the labels over. It's not a problem really. Also what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon powder on the surface of the compost, just to deter any fungal diseases. This is a new thing I'm trying this year. I don't know if it works or not, but it's worth a go. It's really cheap anyway, so you just get like £1 for like a jar of it and just sprinkle a little bit on each pot when you sow your seeds, and hopefully it will stop them rotting and it will stop any funguses and the damping off and whatnot. So it seems like a good idea, so I'll get that done. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next episode. See you later guys.